Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to make the face mask at your home to get rid of this oiliness from the skin. So guys, this face mask I'm gonna suggest you with the help of tomato, and this video I'm gonna divide into three parts. The first part it will be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part it will be related to the ingredients and the quantity, and our last part it will be related to our procedure. So guys, now we are going to our first part of the video where I will share the benefits of the ingredients, what we are going to use for this mask. Tomatoes have natural astringent properties, hence a tomato mask can prove effective and dissolving extra oil from your skin surface while also shrinking the size of the large looking pores. You can either apply tomato juice, pulp directly, or add in some honey to keep the skin hydrated. These were some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will share with you the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this face mask we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the tomato juice or pulp, and number two, we have needed the honey. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what the quantity we have needed for this mask. For our first ingredients, tomato juice or pulp, we have needed 1 tablespoon, and our second ingredients, honey, we have needed 1 tablespoon as well. So guys, these were the ingredients. Now we are going to our final part of the video where I will share with you the process, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is two-step method, and the step one is combine tomato pulp and the honey. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for the step one. Number one, combine equal quantities like 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp and the honey. So guys, that was our step one. Now we are going to our step two, and step two is mix and apply the tomato face mask 2 to 3 times per week. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step. Number one, mix the two well to form an even paste. You can also use a fresh tomato juice instead of the pulp. Number two, apply the mix on your face, especially the T-zone, to avoid the eye area. Number three, let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with the water. So guys, that was the simple and the easiest way to make this mask at home to get rid of this oily skin. So I'm gonna suggest you may apply on your skin 2 to 3 times in a week to have an oil balanced skin. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some interesting and useful solutions. Till that time, take care.